Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a date hierarchy in Power BI. If you've ever wanted to group your data by year, month, or even day for clearer, more insightful reports, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a custom date hierarchy and you'll see just how much easier it makes analyzing your data. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure you have Power BI open on your computer. If you haven't already, launch your Power BI app. It may take a few seconds to load up, and don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. Power BI is a powerful tool, but we're going to walk through each step together. Once it's up and running, you should see your workspace ready on the screen. Now I'm using a sample dataset here to demonstrate, but you can follow along with your own data. The steps will be exactly the same, no matter what kind of dates you're working with: sales, transactions, project deadlines, or anything else. So at this point, you should see a table containing a column with date values, like order date or simply date. To create a date hierarchy, first look for the date column in your fields pane on the right side of your screen. Find the column labeled date or whatever your column is called. Here where the magic starts. Right-click directly on the date field and you'll see a menu pop up. In that menu, select Create Hierarchy. What you're doing here is telling Power BI, I want this date column to serve as the foundation for a grouped view of the data, breaking it down into units like year, quarter, month, and more. Once you've created the hierarchy, you'll notice a new item appear right under your original date field. It's labeled Date Hierarchy. But right now your hierarchy might be empty or just have one level, so the next step is to add more detail to it, starting with the year. Find the year field in your dataset. If your data doesn't have a year column, often Power BI can extract it automatically from your date field. Right-click on the year field, choose Add to Hierarchy, and then select Date Hierarchy from the options. What this does is insert year as a higher level within your date structure, letting you group all your dates according to which year they belong to. This is super useful, for example, if you want to quickly compare sales from 2022 to 2023 just by clicking a few times. With your hierarchy set up, here's the fun part. Let's bring it into your report so you can start using it. Just drag and drop the date hierarchy field right onto your worksheet, maybe into a table, a chart, or whatever visual suits your analysis. As soon as you do, you'll notice you can now expand or collapse different levels. Click the little arrows next to years and you'll see quarters, months, and even days hidden within. This makes drilling down into your data a breeze, and you can spot trends or patterns that just aren't obvious with flat dates. And that's really all there is to it. Building a date hierarchy in Power BI is quick but adds so much clarity and power to your reports. If you ever get stuck or feel unsure, just take a deep breath and follow these steps again. You'll find it becomes second nature in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or if there's another Power BI topic you want to learn about, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.